4 ways to crack IBPS SO Marketing Mains Examination in just 15 days. How can you do your last minute preparations for Marketing Mains Examination? Now you are already aware that once the prelims results come out, generally there are only 20-25 days. So in those 15, 20, 25 days, you need to prepare fast for Marketing Mains Examination. And how can you do that? So I'm going to talk about 4 ways how you can do that. I am Dr. Vijay Prakash Anand. Welcome to Marketing by Vijay YouTube channel. I am a professor in the area of marketing for the last 20 years and I have taught almost 10,000 students in classrooms, almost 16,000 students online, and lakhs of students have been connected on my YouTube channel Marketing by Vijay. Okay, so now I am going to talk about how you can crack the Marketing Mains Examination. If you would like to connect with me for your Marketing Mains Examination preparation, you can connect with me on my WhatsApp number 7318004181. Here you will get all your queries answered. So let us talk about 4 ways. So what is the first way? The first way is the books. So which are the books recommended for Marketing Mains Examination? Okay, so I prefer 2 books. Okay, both the books are from Philip Kotler, okay, the guru of marketing. Okay, so the first book is this one, Kotler and Keller. Okay, so this is the 15th edition of Kotler and Keller. Okay, this is called Marketing Management. Okay, so this book is recommended for you. Okay, and this book is available on Amazon as well as Flipkart. You would have gone through this kind of book, okay, while you were studying for your MBA as well as PGDM course. So that's what you need to go through. Okay, you need to go through one marketing textbook, and that is Kotler and Keller. Or you may also go through another book which is called Principles of Marketing. So that is the 17th edition of Principles of Marketing. Okay, it is written by Philip Kotler, okay, Gary Armstrong and Prafulla Agnihotri. Okay, so this book you may also go through, but I will prefer Kotler and Keller because it covers the marketing syllabus which is required by Marketing Mains Examination in the best possible manner. Okay, if you are looking for any Indian book recommendation, Indian book mean to say by any Indian author, then you can go through my book which is called Marketing Management and Indian Perspective. It is distributed by Wiley International and it is available on Amazon. Okay, this is the 2nd edition of the book which is recommended as a textbook in IIM Ranchi also. Okay, so you can go through this book. This book is available on Amazon. This book has got a lot of Indian examples which you can go through. Okay, so this is the first way. Okay, you need to go through the book, okay, whatever is prescribed, or you would have already gone through the book. Okay, so that's what you need to do in the next 15, 20, 25 days. You need to go through the book again and again so that concepts are very much clear, so that you can answer most of the questions from the 60 question set, which you are already aware that there will be 60 multiple choice questions in your Marketing Mains Examination. So what is the next way? Okay, the second way, which is also a free kind of thing. Okay, you can go through my channel Marketing by Vijay. It has got around 85 plus videos related to marketing topics. Okay, so it will help you learn marketing. There are several other YouTube channels also, okay, where you can learn about marketing. So that is the second way you can prepare for Marketing Mains Examination. So what is the third way? The third way, I have developed a course on marketing management that is called Marketing Management Masterclass. Okay, the course is of 7.5 hours duration with 120 plus videos from 13 plus chapters kind of thing. Okay, so it covers the complete marketing, okay, in one course. Okay, and it has got 120 plus videos, so you can go through that course. Okay, I am giving you the link in the description box as to how you can join the course. Okay, this Course is available at a discounted price of only 919 rupees, okay, at the discounted price. So you can join that course, and this course will be valid for 1 year. You can access this course for 1 year. The link for the course you will find in the description. Okay, so you can join that course. That course will cover most of the topics which will be coming in marketing mains examination. Secondly, what I have done, okay, I am also going to offer you live classes along with the recorded marketing management masterclass. It means I will be available and I will be talking to you about all the concepts related to marketing mains examination for 15 days. Okay, so in 2 weeks, right from 10th of January to 25th of January, and your examination is on 31st. Okay, so then there is enough time. So it means in those 15 days, we will be having the classes every day from 8 o'clock in the night to 9:30 in the night. It means 1.5 hour of classes every day. So 6 days a week. So almost 12-13 classes we'll have in the 15 days module. Plus, I will also give you 300 multiple choice questions which you can answer online and you can practice online. Then we will also be having final practice sets, okay, which you can practice before the examination. Okay, and this course is also priced on the cheaper side only. Okay, and it is beneficial for all the students as well as professionals, because this will only cost 2,900 rupees. So within 2,900 rupees you will get my marketing management masterclass. That's 7.5 hours of recorded course. Plus for 15 days I will be coming live and I will be taking your sessions related to all the marketing concepts which are related to marketing mains examination. So almost 20 hours of live classes will be there, along with 7.5 hours of recorded version lectures through marketing management masterclass, and both you can get for just 2,900 rupees. I am giving the link in the description box. You can go through the link and you can pay the money and you can join the course immediately, so that you can go through marketing management masterclass, those classes for 7.5 hours before we start our live classes on 10th of January. Okay, so now you should be rest assured that you will be preparing in no time kind of thing. Okay, so within 15 days you will be able to prepare yourself for marketing mains examination. For any query, okay, you may contact me on my WhatsApp number 7318004181. Okay, so if you have any query in your mind, you can ask me on that WhatsApp number, or for anything related to IBPS SO marketing mains examination, you can write to me. I will try to help you out. Okay, and I want to see you successful at IBPS SO marketing mains examination. All the best. Take care. Thank you.